Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today I'll be showing to you how you can create a selling ad on Binance. Okay, if you have a lot of USD and you don't want to sell it to the merchant at a low rate, create your own selling ads at the rate of those merchants and sell it to your customers. Okay, because as you can see, a lot of people come to Binance every day to buy USD and to also sell USD. Okay, so before you can do this, all you need to do, just make sure you have a Binance verified account. You can say my account is verified here and I'm regular because I always perform transactions here. Then click on P2P. If you click on P2P, it will bring you to this place. Let's say you want to sell your USD, click on USD selling. I say you can create your ads at this very rate and sell your USD. Okay, and you see here is 95 and here is 94. So you can create your ads at this their own rate of buying and sell your USDT to visitors that always come to Binance to buy USDT, which is a digital asset. Okay, so the next thing that you need to do is to come down here and click on ads. You see beneath here there's home, there's orders, there's ads, there's profile. Okay, you go to ads. If you go to ads on this occasion, you choose the type of ads you want to create. Okay, then on this place we are creating a sell ads, right? We are creating a sell ads. This is a buy ads, this is a sell ads. Okay, we're creating a sell ads. So in this place I'm going to choose my fiat, my currency. I'll choose my currency here. My assets is in USDT. In this place I will input how much I want to sell my. I'll sell my 996. Yeah, let's see, I'm selling my 996. Okay, and I'm seeing lowest order here 993. So the next thing that you need to do is click on next. Coming to total amount, you input your capacity here, your total amount here. My order limit, yeah, in this place you can leave it at 4,000, you can leave it at 1,000,000 or 500, depends on what your capacity is, what you can take. In this place I'll put 500 or 50k, better still. Then in this place that you say payment method, you see this payment method, you can select up to 5 method of receiving payment. Okay, me, I'm going to choose only one, which is transfer, add payment method. Yeah, the only reason you see my account here is because my account has been set already. You can just click this, which is our bank transfer. My account has been set already. So the next thing that I just need to do is to click on next. Oh, exceed maximum, I can. Yeah, I know, it's because my USDT there is not much, so I'll have issue here. So don't worry, if my USDT is available, all this will not be happening. Okay, and I can just move it now because I'm currently running a trade. You just saw it. So it's very simple. This is all you just need to do. The next thing that you need to do is click on next. Okay, you click on next and you click on done. This 15 minutes you're seeing here is the total rate of minutes that you can stay for these transactions. Okay, once it exceeds 15 minutes, the transaction will be automatically cancelled. Okay, so this is how it is. It's very simple. All you just need to do, come into this place, have a verified Binance account, create your own sales ads on P2P transactions. Okay, if there's anything you don't really understand, you can as well drop me a message on my at the message section, and I will get to you as soon as possible. So before I go, I would like to beg you, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. And if you have, and you have not liked my video, please do give my video a like button so that it will enable it to go viral and elevate me from this level to another. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.